its incredible performance. What makes 2025 special? Faster charging, longer ranges, and more affordable pricing than ever before. Plus, advanced safety features and sustainable materials in every model. 2025 is the year electric goes mainstream. Whether you want performance, practicality, or pure value, there's an electric car for you. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more electric vehicle updates.
Hey, what's up everyone? If you've been following the EV world, you know 2025 is shaping up to be a massive year for electric cars. Battery tech is better, charging is faster, and there are more styles and price points than ever. So today, I'm breaking down the top electric cars of 2025. These are affordable, stylish, and honestly pretty high performance. Let's get into it. First up, the Tesla Model 3. This car's been a leader for a while, and in 2025, Tesla's just flexing at this point. Depending on the trim, you get anywhere from 283 to 450 horsepower. The range is super impressive, 350 to 400 miles per charge. If you love speed, the performance model does 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds.